Hey everyone, from today on we are going to see about 27 nakshatras in order wise. We all know that the head of Kalapurusha or the first house of Kalapurusha is Mesha, and the first star in Mesha is Ashwini, and it has 1, 2, 3, and 4 padas in Mesha Rasi. The first nakshatra which we are going to see is Ashwini. Basically, Mesha is ruled by Mars. According to DNA astrology, the star Ashwini is ruled by Ketu and it has Sun dosha. Before entering into the video, if you are watching the channel for the first time, please do subscribe us and support us. So let's enter into our topic. We all know that Mars is a fiery planet. Mesha is also considered as a fire house, and also Ashwini is a fire star. So basically the people who belong to this will be mostly fiery. The symbol of Ashwini is a volcano and also fast running horse. Ashwini people tend to do everything very fast. That is, they eat fast, speak fast, does every other activity at a fast pace. I think most would have heard of Ashwini Kumarargal, who tended to heal the Devas. And these Ashwini Kumarargals also belonged to Ashwini star. So the people who belong to Ashwini star will get connected to the healing. If you have your Lagna in Ashwini or your Chandran in Ashwini or your Lagnadipati in Ashwini, you will be able to link yourself with the things which I am going to tell you. Since you people have Sun dosha, you have to activate Sun in a positive way to avoid the negative things from happening. If a person has Ashwini in your Lagna, Chandran or your Lagnadipati, your family tend to have abortion connectivity. Either your mother would have faced abortion before you have born, or the person who has Ashwini will face abortion in their life. Either abortion could have happened naturally or it could have happened voluntarily. Ashwatthama was born in Ashwini star. You would have heard about him in the Mahabharata, where he tried to destroy the Abhimanyu's kid before the kid has born into the world, like the kid was in the womb. So in actual life, how Ashwini will act is that the family will face problems related to abortions. Ashwini people will also have Kuladeva Shabam in their family. So try to rectify it by asking your astrologer. Since Ashwini people have Sun dosha, they tend to have Sun character. Like you will have a dominating nature, you try to form your own identity in the society, you have bit egoistic nature, you expect importance from the others. Wherever you go, if you don't get the sufficient importance which you think you deserve, you tend to get angry. So try to avoid those anger and the egoistic character. You're very creative people, you have a very helping nature, you tend to help others voluntarily. You have such a great intuition power and you will be very intelligent. You try to comfort others and you will motivate others. But the only drawback which you have is your angry and your egoistic nature. These nature at times make others hurt you. So please avoid those character and you will reach a greater heights. Your family members, which includes all your blood relation from your mother side and your father side, will have job connection in the government related, medicinal field, and in all those fields which they work, they would be in a higher position. Since I have stated the medicinal field, by medicinal field I meant any kind of medicine, like any kind of doctors, a nurse, medical shop, medicinal supplier, healing by using pranic method, flower healing, Ayurvedic, anything. The job link which I have stated above doesn't only apply to your family members, but it would also be applied to you. Since Ashwini has Sun dosha, you will face problems with your father, father-in-law or your elder son. Like not with everyone, but any one of the above which I have stated. You will face some problems with your identity, reputation, recognition and health issues related to your backbone. Like migraine, headache, hip pain, back pain, and you will also face some problems with your eyes. You will also face hair fall problems. Your general body temperature will be so high, so try to neutralize the body temperature. To avoid all those health issues, try to do Surya Namaskaram and offer water to sun daily. Try getting sun rays for at least half an hour daily during 6:30 to 7 in the morning. Try chanting Aditya Hidayam or Surya Gayatri in those times or whenever it is possible. If you don't know to chant, at least try hearing it in an audio. I have already stated that you will be facing problems with your father or your father-in-law or your elder son. Those problems will be either financially or emotionally. For example, if your father supports you financially, he will not provide you fatherly love. If he is giving you so much of love, he will not be able to support you financially. Or he may not be able to live with you. Or in some cases, he would have passed away. So if you got both your love and so if you have got both love and financial support from your father, you will face lots and lots of problems with your father-in-law or your elder son. So in those situations, try to adjust with your father-in-law or your son, whoever you face problems with. You have to help them even though they don't help you in the return or doesn't provide you with the required love which you expect. Since Ashwini is ruled by Ketu, he will try to detach you from everything. Ketu provides you with a sufficient amount of whatever things you need. But after some time, he will detach that thing from you completely. Since you have Sun dosha, Sun will make you think of yourself as a bossy nature and a leader. Ketu will try to detach yourself from those things. So try to be like an oil on water without mixing and still shining on the top, or like water on a lotus leaf. So you will not face many emotional struggles. The thing which I've stated is a bit difficult in the practical life, but at least try doing so. So now let me tell you some amends which you have to do in your day-to-day life, like some pariharas. The pariharas or amends can be done by choosing the desired field of work, supporting others by donating, or by spiritual. So let's start with a desired field of work. You can choose fields like medicine, psychology, healer, or any service oriented jobs like teaching. You could also try some government related jobs. But medicinal line would be very best for you people as you belong to Ashwini, and which basically points to Ashwini Kumaragal who healed the Devas. So you could donate wheat to needy people or provide them with foods made of wheats like chapatis or puris on Sundays. Try to treat every elderly people you meet as your father and help them with whatever needs they require, physically, mentally, or emotionally. Avoid consuming non-vegetarian foods completely, or at least avoid it on Sundays. In spiritual terms, you could visit Jiva Samadhis and meditate there. You could also worship Siddhas. Worshipping Siddhas may help you in your day-to-day life, and it will also help you reach greater heights. Try to visit Chamundishwari temple at least once in a lifetime on your nakshatras, like on Ashwini nakshatra. And also visit the temple knowing your tithi, that is check if you have born in the waxing or waning cycle of the moon, and based on that you could visit the Chamundishwari temple on your nakshatra and your tithi. Ashwini people have lots and lots of healing power, that is if anybody or suffering from any health issues, and if they consume medicine provided by the people who belong to Ashwini stars, they get cured at a faster rate. They have greater intuition power, so try to activate these powers by doing meditation and use those intuition power in a positive way. Hang a picture of two hearts running in your workplace or your home and see it daily. These may provide you with some luck. So let me just tell you some general tips. If you're gonna start any medicinal diet, or if you're gonna consume any medicine, start on Ashwini star. So you would get your desired result in a short span of time. Also, if you're gonna start any business, start those on the Ashwini stars. Your business will start moving forward, just like how when hearts move and reach the destination at a shorter amount of time. But avoid doing marriage on those stars if possible. That's all. I hope you have liked our video, so please give us a thumbs up and motivate us, and also support us by sharing the video with your family and friends. Thank you so much.